Annabelle Alexander. I'm a resident. Right now I am without no gas, no lights. I'm 77 years old and I use a nebulizer which I cannot use. I think it's very unfair what they are doing to the people. They cutting them off and they think that when there's no money around. I don't feel that is right and appropriate at what they're doing to us. And paying 50% out of your little income is no good. 10% is what we need. Not 50%, not 25%, but 10%. And it's a daggone shame that we have to suffer while they sitting up there getting paychecks living in mansions. Yep. We have to do without. It ain't only with utilities, it's all over the state. They're very corrupt. They living in mansions and we living in where I have to wear a coat to sleep. And then right now, I just came from the hospital. I had a very bad asthma attack last week. I didn't bring my nebulizer today. I need electricity for that. If I can't breathe, I need electricity. I cannot afford to pay what they want me to pay. And they need to give me, I want my lights on and gas on today.